In the shadow of colonial rule, where silence was enforced and dignity stripped, one woman's defiance ignited a fire that would burn through generations. This is the story of Nwanyeruwa, a leader, a rebel, a mother, and the thousands of women who stood beside her to reclaim their freedom. Their fight was not with weapons, but with unity, song, and unyielding resolve. This is a testament to the power of collective courage. Southeastern Nigeria, 1929. Under British colonial rule, the Igbo people endured heavy taxes and exploitation. Warrant chiefs appointed by the British enforced unjust policies until the day they demanded taxes on children, goats, and even the pots women used to cook. For Nwanyeruwa, this was the spark that lit the flame. When a tax collector confronted Nwanyeruwa, she refused. "Should I count my goats and children for you?" she challenged. Her defiance echoed across villages. Word spread like wildfire. Women would no longer bear this injustice alone. Nwanyeruwa became a voice for the voiceless. She traveled from village to village, rallying women with stories of shared struggle. Mothers, grandmothers, and daughters, 25,000 strong, pledged to stand together. The women marched. They sang ancestral songs, danced in unison, and occupied colonial offices. Their protest was non-violent but unrelenting, a sea of color and sound that could not be ignored. The British panicked. Soldiers were called, but the women stood firm. "Shoot us if you dare," they dared. Faced with such unity, the colonizers faltered. The world watched as an empire bowed to the strength of mothers. The taxes were repealed. The warrant chiefs disgraced. But Nwanyeruwa's true victory was in proving that even the marginalized could reshape history. Her story lives in every woman who refuses to be silenced. The Aba women's riots were more than a protest. They were a revolution of dignity. Nwanyeruwa's name means Queen of the Air. She proved that title was earned, not given. The story of Nwanyeruwa and the Aba women's riot reminds us that transformative change often begins with a single act of courage.